I'm going to really dumb this down. I'm a business. I've got an ERP system. I haven't got one ERP system. I've got several ERP systems. I've got one for finance, one for HR, one for marketing. They don't all talk to each other at the moment. I'd love to have that system, but I don't have the money to invest in it. So I'm going to stick with what I've got. My priority is to be able to get a level of transparency and keep the data secure from cybersecurity hacks. How different is blockchain to me getting some sort of virus protection so hackers can't go in? Am I better off going with blockchain or with a cybersecurity expert who's going to get me something that protects and shields that data being stolen?
Cybersecurity, you need to have that in any case, even for your other content. In reality, even the cybersecurity, which we call it maybe security of the internet or web, is leveraging the blockchain to eliminate any type of hacking, any type of unauthorized changes or usage. Because when you put your content, as I mentioned, like we gave earlier the example of the Virgin Atlantic, once you have that data into the blockchain, nobody can hack it. So you will have a very, very trusted and secure data or content protection for you. And you can just eliminate any need for the middleman. How you define the cybersecurity is the question. The cybersecurity is like maybe a layer as somebody comes in and try to get into your content. What blockchain provides you is that when that's even broken and comes to the content, it's known. It will give you an, let's say, information that, hey, your content is being touched. Nobody can get it because it's a blockchain, but hey, somebody is trying to get that. Detection will come from the first layer, and but sometimes they can fool that. And that's why you need to have a blockchain to have that complete security. So people may come in and pass through your cybersecurity. But then since the content data is located in the blockchain, in multiple blocks around the world, then they cannot go get all of that. They can still harm you in a much smaller, because like when you have a content, you don't need to get the entire content to harm a company or a person. Therefore, you have to have that cybersecurity enabling you not to go too deep, but at least to protect you at certain level. But when your information to give you a complete harm is on the blockchain, nobody can touch you. For instance, that's the case because you don't record everything in the blockchain. The blockchain is a recording platform. You record an information there. But if somebody comes and access to that information, not to steal it, but just access it, then you may still have some problems. You won't lose that content. For instance, in the Bitcoin today, I'll give you a cryptocurrency example. What the blocks in the Bitcoin system records is who is the owner and how much Bitcoin he has, period. That's all. And but when it comes to let's say your credit card information, your numbers are recorded there and it's protected. But your name, for instance, your social security or whatever can be compromised. So the point is that since blockchain only records a content, accessing that content also has to be somewhat protected. They cannot get the content and change it, but they may access it. And that's why you have to have also the security on the top.
Guys, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for conversations just like this.